Howdy everybody, how y'all doing today? Today is Wednesday the 11th of March 2020, and we are, let me see if I can spin y'all around to see. Can y'all see that sign? Karen and Sharon of North Walton County Thrift Shop. So that's where we're at today here in Florida, and we're gonna run in here. We had to come get some boxes at the Walmart anyway, so we're gonna run in here and see what they got, and we may run over to another one. Let's go in here. If y'all new to my channel, my name is Colton. I'm a full-time eBay, Amazon, Poshmark reseller. Let's go see what we can find. Come on. That'd be cool to have, wouldn't it?
It would be good in the store. We don't know how to have we can get them home. Put it on the truck. We can make it. So,
That's nice. I don't know nothing about it, but it's nice. Hey, check out that globe. Buddy, I'd break that thing to pieces before we got it home.
it's only $3. Nice and nice.
That's cool. I ain't looking for that though. We need non-breakable. A bunch of ink.
Look, they took it out of the box.
What's in that case?
Poker chips.
Let's open it with golden bars.
I hope.
LL Bean.
I think they're excellent. Look.
Movies. I gotta find me something to watch. Killer Twisters. Heck yeah, we want that. Always, if you're buying VHS tapes, you can clean them, but I don't like to unless they're really valuable. But check the reels right here and make sure there ain't no mold on them. I mean, you can clean them, but ain't no sense of cleaning no cheap Dell things. Alright, so here's one that's moldy. See Mars Attacks? Good movie, cheesy movie if you ever seen it. See all that mold? You can rig up a VCR to clean these, but don't put one of these in your good VCR. You're gonna have mold spores flying everywhere. Just so y'all know.
I like the title of the movie.
Yeah, get them.
There's a bunch of them.
Yeah, I want them.
Should we get them?
Yeah, you might as well.
Or you just want to say no because you have much.
You really need these dolls. Yeah, Lily needs some. Summertime is here. Out here cutting the grass. Let me show you what we got. We just got a bag full of movies. Got, we didn't really hardly get nothing to resell. They mowing grass. Yeah, them are like old,
Movie label.
yeah, movie label things. Like a it went in the display stand or something, or in the bottom of a poster.
We're getting covered dry.
Yeah, he's blowing grass all over me. Alright, we heading on to the next one. Alrighty, we are at thrift store number 2. Let's go in here and see what they got. I wonder how much it's sending me a whole barrel for.
$6.
Got it.
I'll go bag them up for you.
Cool, thank you.
You're welcome. I'll bag them up and put $6 for all of them.
Them things is green.
It's a nice shirt.
Yeah, but look at the front. Is it supposed to be that way? Yeah.
Yeah.
I wonder how much it is.
Oh.
We're gonna have to get it though. What is that thing?
Cow bush helmet.
There's a guitar. Ba-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Alrighty, so here's number 3. This is Haven House Thrift Shop in Miramar. Y'all can see here. Let's go in here and see what they got. Y'all check that out. Buddy, that'll make you happy just looking at that thing. Look at that. Cool.
Sweat, that hurt.
How much of them?
Yeah, and I got.
They're nice shoes.
Yeah, it hit my screw with my knee, dude. I felt it.
8.
Sure.
Yeah. Ooh, I got to sweat.
Bowling shoes. Uh-oh.
These things are alive. I definitely be sweating bullets in these things.
If I didn't have those knickers, I'd probably get too strong. It's funny.
Yeah, these are sold. We're gonna shuffle some chairs and then put a couch there.
Oh yeah, I'm sorry. I forgot to tell y'all that. You heard them, but the shoes are all $4 per pair.
I'm gonna grab a burger.
He broke the laser beam.
Alright, so real quick, we got these 3 golf clubs, vacuum cleaner bags so far, this cassette player, In the PS3 game, bunch of shoes. Their shoes ended up being $4 a pair. Got these Reebok CrossFits. And 2 Harley Davidson helmets. I'll show them to you when we get back to the Alabama. But yeah. Alrighty, guys and gals. Y'all see them pretty flyers? Them pretty. Anyways, we just fixing to go over here and get this bite to eat and get this uploaded. Today, yes, what is today? The 12th. Thursday the 12th. And this road's bumpy. It's all dirt. See if y'all, just sand, not dirt. Dirty sand.
It's like a mix of both.
Dirty sand. So it's real bumpy. I'm trying to hold y'all still, but
It's 75 or something.
yeah, real nice down here. Ooh.
Hang on. It's not a paved road.
Here's a big one. Hold on. All right, now we have to blacktop now. All right. Okay, so now we can talk. Oh yeah. So we'll go in greater detail about all the stuff we pick up. We may, if there's any yard sales this weekend and they're closed, we may stop in 1 or 2 of them. I don't know. But we got to go pick up the moving truck in the morning, and then the movers are coming Saturday morning. So we got to hustle and get that done. See the water? Ain't that pretty? Anyways, we got to get that done, and then we're gonna. So this will probably be my last video until Monday, unless I find something good, and then I'll just show y'all everything Monday that we pick up. I want to thank y'all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up button for me. I wanted to do a video a day, but this move's got to halt it for a couple of days. Hopefully y'all understand. And yeah, we'll see y'all. God, that was a big bump too.
That
Oh.
drain pipe.
Huh?
Let's really put that drain pipe.
Drain pipe. But yeah, we'll see you guys and gals Monday. May see you sooner. I don't know.